Viewers and subscribers, good day to you all. Welcome to Monroe Road here in Kingston. In this video, we're going to explore Monroe Road and Wellington Drive. Do relax and enjoy the ride. Passing by Beverly Drive on our right. Of course, that's where we go to get to Beverly Hills. Oak Shore Road on our right. This leads to Wellington Heights. Going by Wellington Glade on our right and Worthington Rose, the set of apartments on our left. Just gonna take a drive through onto Ottawa Avenue where we can find some new real estate developments. The first set of apartments are known as the Gefals that we're seeing here on our left. Also straight ahead on our right is the Ottawa. The Palms of Ottawa are on our right. Passing by Ottawa Manor, also on our right. And now we're on Wellington Drive. Monroe Road straight ahead. On our right is the playground for St. Peter and Paul Prep School. Alright then, and that's it for another video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please leave us a like if you did. Do remember to share with a friend or two. And remember also to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Remember to click the notification bell and click all. Thank you so much.